Hello guys, in today is this video I will show you PHONEFIX BA13 Desoldering Station. No damage to the motherboard, precise temperature control. Temperature regulation, 100 to 300 degrees Celsius. Support language, English, Chinese, Spanish, Portuguese. When the preset temperature is reached, the sound alarm will be activated to prevent the motherboard from overheating. Large operating area, good compatibility. Support larger motherboard desoldering operations, more convenient and quick. Clearly display the temperature, up and down temperature control at any time. With rapid temperature rise, long service life, uniform temperature, fast and low thermal growth characteristics. Supports iPhone 10 to iPhone 14 Pro Max, Android and iPhone series motherboard lamination separation, screen bracket separation, etc. Subsequent continuous updates. Extra large heating area. Support for Android phones. Large operating area. Good compatibility. Support for larger motherboard desoldering operations. More convenient and quick and intelligent desoldering station with rapid heating, long service life. Uniform temperature characteristics. Perfect. The appearance of air duct design is more conducive to heat dissipation. Innovative design. Strong magnetic absorption. Built-in multiple magnetic. No snaps. Easy to pick up. Easy to disassemble. Synthetic stone compression clasp. Make the motherboard fit better. Support language, English, Chinese, Spanish, Portuguese. Temperature regulation, 100 to 300 degrees Celsius. When the preset temperature is reached, the sound alarm will be activated to prevent the motherboard from overheating. Now I'm test iPhone 11 motherboard separation. This time I apply 200 degree temperature. After the motherboard is opened, press down button and reset its temperature to 0.